Hey guys, Samsung are all set to launch next generation Samsung Galaxy S24 series next month 17 January 2024 and we have already seen its CAD render which revealed its design and also hands-on image Galaxy S24 Ultra and this is the S24 Ultra S Pen will look like and thanks to the FCC, the Galaxy S24 Ultra S Pen got certified by the FCC, moving the smartphone closer to launch. The style has been look similar to the S23 Ultra S Pen. FCC document include a grey color model, but we might be see more color include the phone color. According to the FCC, the Galaxy S24 Ultra S Pen has model code EJPS928. The S Pen is 104.64 mm long, but FCC don't mention its weight. It's also unclear if it's have any IP rating. And I am also making some dedicated video about Galaxy S24 series. Check out this video to learn more about Galaxy S24 series. So that's pretty much for today's video, and if you found this video, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catching you the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.